So the other day I was shopping for this Stanley tumbler, the one that's literally everywhere right now. I found it on Amazon for $40, added it to my cart, felt good about it. And then just out of curiosity, I checked another site. Same exact tumbler. $29.97. I saved about $10 by spending 30 seconds looking somewhere else. And that's when it hit me, how many times have I just clicked buy without checking? How much money have I wasted over the years just because I was too lazy to compare prices? And honestly, it's not even laziness. Who has the time to open 6 different tabs, search the same product on every website, compare shipping costs, figure out which one's actually cheapest? Nobody's doing that for every single purchase. But what if something just did it for you? Automatically? That's exactly what I found. And it's been saving me a stupid amount of money ever since. If you've ever overpaid for something, and only realized later, drop that story in the comments, I know I'm not the only one. It's called Coupert. It's a completely free browser extension, and their whole thing is, Coupert finds the best coupons, guaranteed savings. Now I know what you're thinking. Another browser extension? But hear me out. Coupert's been around since 2017. Over 9 million people use it. It's got a 4.8 out of 5 on Trustpilot, and it works with over 200,000 stores. This isn't some fly-by-night thing. This is legit. And the feature that got me hooked? Price comparison. But it does way more than that. Let me break it down. Okay, so remember that Stanley tumbler situation I told you about? That's literally what Coupert's price comparison does, except I don't have to do any of the work. Here's what happens. You're browsing a product on, say, Amazon. Coupert automatically pops up and shows you what that exact same product costs on Walmart, eBay, Target, and other retailers. Right there, in real time, no extra tabs, no searching. It just tells you see that? Same product, completely different prices. And I would have never known if Coupert didn't show me. It works on Amazon, Walmart, Macy's, eBay, Nike, basically all the big ones. And according to Coupert's own data, the average user saves over $333 a year just from this one feature. $333, just by seeing a cheaper option before you buy. I'm not gonna lie, the first time I used this, I felt a little sick thinking about all the times I overpaid for stuff. But at least now I know I'm always getting the best deal. But here's where it gets ridiculous. Because Coupert doesn't just compare prices, it also finds coupon codes for you, automatically. You know that promo code box at checkout that you always stare at and never have a code for? Coupert handles that. When you hit the checkout page, it tests every available coupon for that store and applies the best one. You don't search for anything. You don't copy-paste anything, it just works. And they've got this max saving guarantee if you ever find a valid coupon they missed, or you don't save on several eligible orders. Your order may be protected, and you could earn a cash reward. Rules apply, but still they're literally putting their money where their mouth is. This alone saves the average user about $180 a year. And then on top of the price comparison, on top of the coupons, Coupert also gives you cash back, like actual money back into your account. Over 76,000 retailers participate. You just activate it before checkout and they return a portion to you. Withdraw it through PayPal, gift card, or bank card. And unlike other platforms that take a month to pay you, Coupert does it in 3 to 15 days. That's another $87 a year on average, for doing literally nothing extra. So let me just add this up. Price comparison, coupons, cashback, that's around $600 a year in savings for a free extension. I genuinely wish I'd found this sooner because I know how much I've overpaid on stuff I could have gotten cheaper. Coupert works on Chrome, Edge, Opera, Firefox, Safari on desktop, and Safari on mobile. So whatever you're using, you're good. Look, I'm not saying this is going to change your life, but it's going to change the way you shop, and your wallet is going to thank you. If this video saved you even $1, subscribe because I'm always finding stuff like this that makes life cheaper. And turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. My link's right at the top of the description. Grab Coupert, install it, and just watch what happens the next time you're about to buy something. I promise you'll be surprised.